I am Shyam Sundar and I have been doing wideband timing of millisecond pulsar with the UGMRT. Pulsars are stable clock-like objects and can be used to detect new timing noise like the gravitational wave ones. For doing that, one need to mitigate the ISM effect from it. At low radio frequencies, DM can be measured very precisely, and this precise DM measurement can be used to mitigate the timing noise in nearby higher frequency data. For doing that, we can use high bandwidth receivers, but the problem arises when the pulsars show strong profile evolution with frequency. In standard narrowband timing, we use frequency scrunch template, which will be wrong in case of significant profile evolution with frequency. So we started doing wideband timing with the help of a software named as Pulse Portraiture, which creates a two-dimensional template and can simultaneously measure DM as well as TA for each individual epoch. And we have a set of 8 millisecond pulsar, which we observed with the help of GMRT in the frequency range 300 to 1400 megahertz. And the plot showing the cadence of the GMRT pulsar and PTA pulsar for in different colors for different UGMRT bands. So here is one of the pulsar we observed in a list, J214500750. The y-axis is showing the DM variation and the x-axis is showing time. The top panel is band 3 observation and the bottom panel is band 3 plus band 5 observation. Different colors are used for different techniques, narrowband and wideband. So what we see here in band 3, narrowband and wideband DM curves matches very nicely for the two analyses. Also, here we see band 3 as well as band 5 matches very nicely for wideband and narrowband technique. And for this pulsar, we are regularly getting the DM precision of 10 to the power minus 5 for each individual epoch. So here is the complete list of the DM precision and DM measurement for each of the millisecond pulsar we observed. For the PTA pulsar, we regularly getting the DM precision of 10 to the power minus 5 for each individual epoch. And for the GMRT pulsars, we are regularly getting the DM precision of 10 to the power minus 4. And what we see is that model parameters for the GMRT pulsar lie within plus minus 3 sigma, which confirm that one can use any of the two analyses for the timing. Thanks.